Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Ibar feel stuck saying I don't know all the time. It can make you sound unsure or even unprepared. But today I will show you how to sound confident even when you don't know the answer. Section 1. Smarter alternatives. Here are smarter, more natural alternatives to I don't know that native speakers actually use. 1. I am not sure, but I will find out. 2. That's a great question. I will get back to you. 3. I don't have that information right now. 4. Let me check and I will let you know. 5. I am not certain, but I can look into it. These phrases keep the conversation flowing and make you sound responsible and thoughtful. Section 2. Real situations and tone. Let's look at when and how to use them. In a meeting, try let me double check and get back to you. In casual talk, say I am not totally sure, but I will find out. In class, go with I will look it up and let you know tomorrow. Small change, big impact. Section 3. Practice time. I will say a sentence, you improve it. I don't know the answer. Now I am not sure, but I will find out. Try a few more in a comments and I will respond with feedback. From now on, leave I don't know behind, speak smarter, sound sharper. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more powerful English tips every week. And thank you very much.